Good evening, Philippines. This is Mike Padua once again, and we are back to our update on Tropical Depression Emong, and this is now the final one for this Tuesday, July 6, 2021, and this is brought to you by Typhoon 2000. Let's begin with our update. Here's the fast animation. As you can see, the tropical depression has weakened considerably into a low-pressure area as it moves across the southern portion of the Taiwan Strait and is now beginning to make landfall over Fujian province. But most of its convective rain bands has been dispersed to the left of the circulation because of strong upper level winds, and just the low level circulation center can be seen here, but although it's hard to be seen on this animation. And the other LPA, which is known as 97W, is also struggling to organize as it moves closer towards Hainan and northern Vietnam. And southwest monsoon is still affecting the Spratly Islands, including the Calayan Island group. And we have a southwesterly surface wind flow bringing some thunderstorms across Palawan, while over the rest of the Philippine Islands will be under the influence of the Monsoon Trough, where lots of the rain showers and thunderstorms will be expected since this afternoon and through the evening, but improving weather will be expected tomorrow. And here comes the zoom-in satellite animation from windy.com, beginning at 1:30 p.m. up to 7:30 this evening. As you can see, the strong thunderstorms started to move across the western sections of the Philippine Islands, as much of the organized thunderstorms is beginning to wane down as the evening progresses, but still affecting the western provinces of Luzon, from Ilocos region down to Mindoro, while here across Visayas and Mindanao, still isolated thunderstorms can be observed. Over the Bicol region, improving weather will be expected, especially by tomorrow. But in the afternoon or the evening, expect again another chances of isolated rain showers and thunderstorms. And here's our latest GovSat today until tomorrow. Here comes XTD Emong, which is now a low pressure area moving towards southern China, and LPA 97W becoming an active one, but so far for the past few hours it's starting to deteriorate, but still enhances the southwest monsoon across the South China Sea and the portions of Calayan Island Group, West Philippine Sea, and weaker habagat or southwesterlies affecting Palawan and the Sulu Archipelago. And here's the Monsoon Trough, which is generating some strong thunderstorms all throughout the archipelago, but these are on isolated and scattered thunderstorms. But in some areas like the western sections of Luzon, the thunderstorms are somewhat elongated from Ilocos region down to Mindoro. That's why folks down there are reporting very strong thunderstorm activity as the afternoon progresses. Outside of PAR, we don't have any developing LPA. We just have here the intertropical convergence zone, and we have here a quasi-stationary or barely moving high-pressure area, which is generating some good weather very, very close to the center of this high pressure. And we have the Mayo front here over Japan. And let's take a look at our rainfall forecast from the European model. This is from windy.com website. This is valid for the next 3 days. Expect isolated rain showers and thunderstorms to prevail across the western sections and eastern sections of central Luzon, and also across Ilocos region, portions of the Visayas, some portions as well of the Bicol region. And strong thunderstorms during the afternoon or evening will also be expected across various portions of Mindanao, particularly over the areas of Misamis Occidental, Lanao provinces, and the eastern portions of Caraga and Davao region as well, including portions of Soxigen. So these are isolated scattered rain showers and thunderstorms that is expected for the next 3 days until Thursday. And here comes the wind and pressure forecast from the American model, from the windy.com server. So by tomorrow afternoon, you could see the tropical disturbance LPA moving across southern Hainan. So the chances of becoming a tropical depression is still there, based on what the computer models say. And over the Philippine Islands, variable winds will now commence, with some southeasterly winds across the Batanes and Babuing Cubao Islands. And on Thursday, variable winds will still be expected in various portions of the Philippine Islands, except for some easterly surface wind flow across the Batanes and Babuing Cubao Islands, and light easterlies across eastern Mindanao, eastern Visayas, the Bicol region, and eastern Luzon. So far, it's relatively quiet for the next 3 days until the weekend, based on the computer models. Tomorrow, we will be resuming our tropical advisory for the Philippines and the Western Pacific, and we'll be giving you again the latest by tomorrow, Wednesday. And we will return back to our normal MWF release of the YouTube and Facebook weather videos, courtesy of Typhoon 2000. So again, this is Mike Padua reporting. Stay safe always. Be #weatherwiser, #typhoonwiser. Good evening to all, and thank you so much for watching our channel.